The software testing life cycle (STLC) is a process that defines the various stages involved in testing a software application. STLC helps to organize and manage testing tasks in a systematic way, ensuring that the software meets quality standards before being released to users. The stages typically include test initiation, test plan, test scenario, test case design, test case review, test case execution, regression testing, test summary report and test closure report. Test initiation. This is the initial phase where the testing process begins. It includes understanding the project requirements, defining testing objectives, and setting up the testing environment. The testing team reviews the project details, and a testing strategy is formulated to ensure that the testing process will be effective. Test plan. A test plan is a document that outlines the scope, approach, resources, and schedule for testing activities. It specifies what needs to be tested, how the testing will be done, who will do it, and the tools and resources required. It provides a roadmap for the testing process. Test scenario. Test scenarios are high-level descriptions of what to test. They are derived from the requirements and are designed to validate the software from an end-user perspective. Each test scenario represents a specific functionality or feature to be verified during the testing phase. Test case design. Test case design involves creating detailed test cases based on the test scenarios. A test case includes specific inputs, expected outcomes, and the steps to execute the test. The goal is to ensure that every aspect of the software is tested under different conditions. Test case review. Once the test cases are designed, they are reviewed by the testing team, stakeholders, or subject matter experts. The goal is to ensure that the test cases are accurate, complete, and effective in verifying the functionality of the software. This phase helps identify and fix any gaps or issues before execution. Test case execution. During this phase, the test cases are executed on the software. Testers run the tests, document the results, and compare the actual outcomes with the expected ones. If there are any discrepancies or defects, they are logged for further analysis. Regression testing. After defects are fixed or new features are added, regression testing ensures that these changes do not negatively affect the existing functionality of the software. It involves rerunning previously passed test cases to confirm that the software still behaves as expected. Test summary report. The test summary report is created at the end of the testing phase. It provides a comprehensive overview of the testing activities, including the number of test cases executed, passed, failed, and blocked, along with defect details. It summarizes the overall testing process and results, providing stakeholders with insights into the software's quality. Test closure report. The test closure report marks the formal conclusion of the testing process. It includes a summary of all testing activities, lessons learned, and any outstanding issues or risks. It also provides recommendations for future testing and includes any final documentation. The purpose is to ensure that the testing process is complete and that the software meets the quality standards.